Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories inside the box with which device comes. So the first, that was our Motorola device here. Now here we got the paper box. Inside this box we got the SIM tool, some papers work, I think that's the guide, and maybe the warranty letter. And also we got here the protective silicone clear case. That's really good thing, so you shouldn't buy, for example, for the first time some cases to your device. And also I got here the Motorola original charger brick with all of the specs. And also we got here the USB-C cable. So that's it. That's here all of accessories with which our Motorola Edge 30 Pro comes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.